I don't know what's going on down there at Lone Star Grills in Texas, but man, them boys know barbecue. They build some products that, I mean, it's just all the things, all the little things that you want in a pit or a grill, they just nail them. I mean, nail them. They build grills to last a lifetime. This is my second grill from Lone Star, and I couldn't be happier so far. I've really enjoyed cooking on my 24x48 smoker, my offset from them. With the Santa Maria style grill, I can't wait to do some rotisserie chicken. This thing's made out of 10 gauge carbon steel. I mean, it is a beast. The grates are 3/4 inch 9 gauge steel. I mean, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful size. You can cook anything you want on there and not have to worry about it falling through. The grates are all removable so you can clean them really easily. If you decide to get a Santa Maria, make sure you get the option where the door flips down. That's gonna make cleanup really nice. You can get them in multiple sizes. You can get a 36 inch, 48 inch, or 60 inch grill. This guy here is the 36 inch and it's perfect for me. Cool to touch crank handle so you can raise and lower the Santa Maria grill. It weighs about 300 pounds once you get it out of the box and all put together. I'm gonna start with something simple for the first cook. I'm gonna start with some steaks. Not just any steaks, some very special steaks. What's that you said? Why am I eating bison? Oh, bison is delicious. Plus it's lower calories per serving than standard beef. It's lower fat, so it's healthier for you. And it's got more protein. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Bison strip steak, man, this thing's gonna be amazing. I cannot wait to get this thing on the coals and see what it tastes like. I don't know about you guys, but it's not every day I run across something like that in the grocery store, in my regular grocery store. Normally something like that is a special order, at least in my area, or you know, you gotta go somewhere special to get it. This was right on the shelf in the grocery store, and I can't wait. I hope they stock more of it because this is gonna be an amazing cook, an amazing dinner. So the first step to any steak, right? Take it out of the refrigerator, leave it on the counter, let it come up to room temperature, 30, 45 minutes, maybe an hour depending on the size. These really aren't that big, so I'm gonna go about 30 minutes and that should be plenty. Gonna put a little salt, a little pepper, throw it on the fire. A little salt. Of course, black pepper. I recently put up a video about when to put pepper on your steak, rather before you cook or after you cook, so go check that out. I am gonna put just a little bit of this A1 dry rub on there. This stuff's pretty good. I like using lump charcoal whenever I'm doing steaks because it burns so much hotter. You can get a really nice sear when you use lump charcoal. So I want to put this grate down as close to the fire as I can get it right now so that it's nice and warm. It's going to leave good sear marks.
So I'm just gonna spray these guys with just a little bit of olive oil, keep them from sticking on the grates. So the great thing about a Santa Maria grill is once you put your food on, sometimes your fire is just a little hotter or a little cooler than what you're expecting. So, you know, on a fixed grill like the Weber kettle, you're kind of stuck with what you have. With this, you can adjust it. These guys are about 125. This one's a little cooler and just about 95. You want to get a little more heat, you just lower it down a notch or two. There's so much cooking space. I mean, you see these steaks, these are pretty good sized steaks, and there's still a ton of grill space here. All right, so this guy is 135. We're gonna kind of put that off to the side. We'll put a little butter on it. 120 on this one. And same thing on that one, 120. Taking two of these up to medium well, like we did here. This is 135. And this last one, I think we're gonna take up to a well done, because that's, my parents are with us tonight and they prefer their steak to be well done. All right, these two guys are, I'm actually gonna do that one well done, and I'm gonna do these other two at 135. Oops, lost the butter. Just kind of get that on there, let that kind of drip down. Amazing. This is our medium well steak. These are our two medium steaks. Let's go ahead and cut these up with this Coolina awesome knife. This is a perfect knife for cutting steaks. Gosh, that's beautiful. Just a beautiful medium steak. Let's see if it tastes as good as it smells and looks. That's where it's at. That's how you cook a steak, my friends. Woo! If you're enjoying the video, please like it down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. And make sure you subscribe. Join the backyard with me. Subscribe. You get to see all the videos I'm putting out. And do me a favor, share the video with your family, your friends, on your social media walls. Help me grow the channel and reach more people and spread the love of barbecue. Get yourself some Bison Steaks. Santa Maria Grill. Eating like kings in the backyard. You guys have an awesome week. I'll catch you on the next video.